Hey everybody, wanted to throw this together. I normally post this type of video in each of my classes, and I've kind of got away from it, but it looks like I'm seeing a trend where we need more of this type of review. Frequently, it's not, excuse me, writing mechanics that are the problem, it's APA formatting. And I'll be honest with you, APA formatting is difficult, but it's important that we properly attribute our external sources that we use. So in what you're seeing here is a little paragraph that I threw together to simulate a paper that some student or yourself might be writing. And you can see that I've inserted a direct attribution from a resource that I've used. And I've done this not because of the highlight, that's just so you can find it a little easier, but you can see the quotation marks shows that it's a directly quoted or directly attributed item. And so I went to the Dietz library and found an article and brought this up. Now, I'll show you the article here in a minute, but first off, I want to tell you there's a couple ways you can do that. One, you can do it the manual method where you plug stuff in, and there's nothing wrong with that. That's what I did for a long time. There is a website called the APA Format Citation Machine. It's a free source. They will encourage you to purchase a subscription, and then you can do unlimited stuff. Or you can create your own, and you watch a commercial that's about a minute long, and then it creates your citation for you. And it does save your citations as well, which is kind of nice. But there's an easier way. Really quick, I'm going to show you. Here's that article. Again, I found it in Dietz Library under the Abesco site. So I'm going to contribute this source into my paper. Now, again, I can go to the Sena Citation Machine and upload that, or I can do it manually, and I know how to do that. But really, the easy way is to go here, and you're going to have Home, Insert, Draw, Design, Layout, References. And you're going to see this little area right here. So you're going to do Insert Citation. So the author, it's actually a corporate author. So we're going to look, and I need to move my other screen so I can see it. So it's HR Employment Law Advisor. HR Employment Law Advisor. And then name of the web page is hremploymentlawadvisor.com, whatever. But it's HR Employment, again, the corporate author in this particular case, and the web page is the same. And then the website is the oops, come on. All right. HR specialist. I actually got this. It's the HR specialist. And it will not correct your typing for you, so your typing will have to be correct. So I'll have to go in and I have to find the website in this particular case. And again, this is happening on my second screen, so you won't necessarily see it, but there's that, and it was March of 2026, so 2026 March. There isn't a day on this particular attribution, so you can ignore that, and you click OK. So now you've got that created, so you can do an insert citation. Oops, and we don't need to do that. Cancel. Hang on, because it's been a while since I've done this one. There we go. So click your citations. The older version is a little bit different, but so you click that, and I'll move my camera there, and you'll click that bottom one, or you'll double click. Come on, there it goes. And you can see that it put it in into your paper for you. And then don't forget your ending period. Now, if you were to paraphrase that, you wouldn't necessarily need to do the quotation marks, but you would still need to attribute, and it looks like it did it twice. Man, the instructor will gig me for that. Gonna have to undo. There we go. So you can see that it puts it in. Then you can type the rest of your paper and such. And when you get done, you can go down and I'm going to just insert the reference page for this example. But you would create this on your own page and you would come up here and you can do bibliography. You can do works cited. I typically do works cited. And there is your reference properly formatted and ready to go. So then you could save that in your paper and submit it. And you can use it as works cited. You can do it as bibliography. You can do it as reference page, however you want to do that. But that's an easy way to do it and include it in your paper itself. So hopefully you find this of help. If not, I'm sorry. There is some other resources. Purdue OWL is another one that you'll find commonly that helps reference, create APA formatting and references as well. So, but thanks everybody for watching and have a good day.